What happens when you stop eating sugar for 30 days? The first 72 hours are brutal. Your brain, which has been running on a steady drip of glucose and dopamine hits from sugar, starts to panic. You'll feel irritable, foggy, and hit with headaches that make you question every life choice you've made. This is withdrawal, and yes, sugar withdrawal is real. Studies show sugar activates the same reward pathways in the brain as certain addictive substances. The crash, days 4 to 7. By day 4, the cravings peak. You'll find yourself standing in front of the fridge at midnight, staring at nothing, just wanting something sweet. Your energy will dip, your mood will tank, and you might even feel flu-like symptoms. This is your body recalibrating, learning to burn fat and complex carbs for fuel instead of quick sugar hits. Push through. The worst is almost over. The turn, days 8-14. Something shifts around day 8. The fog starts to lift. You wake up and realize you didn't crash at 3 p.m. yesterday. Your focus sharpens. Your skin, and this surprises most people, starts to clear up. That's because sugar triggers inflammation and spikes insulin, both of which wreak havoc on your complexion. Less sugar means less inflammation, and your face notices first. The reset, days 15-21. By week 3, your taste buds have recalibrated. A plain apple tastes almost shockingly sweet now. You're sleeping deeper. Your energy is more stable throughout the day. No more roller coaster highs and crashes. Bloating starts to reduce because sugar feeds the bacteria in your gut that cause gas and inflammation. Many people report losing between 3 to 7 pounds by this point, mostly water weight and inflammation, not fat yet, but real and visible. The new normal, days 20-30. In the final stretch, something clicks mentally. You stop craving sugar and start choosing not to eat it. That's a massive psychological shift. Your liver, which was working overtime processing fructose, is functioning more efficiently. Blood sugar levels stabilize. If you had brain fog, anxiety, or energy crashes before, many of those symptoms are now dramatically reduced or gone. You feel level.